As we see, there are so many problems for women in Asian countries, especially in Afghanistan and India. And the barriers that are mostly cultural and religious barriers, they are preventing these women not to have access to technology. So the current project I'm working in, we work in a group, is women entrepreneurship, and also women who are who needs access to some schemes who are affected by HIV/AIDS. This the summary of this presentation is how we can reach these women with low cost technology, how we can share information. How we can make these women to share information, entrepreneurship information in rural areas, and how we can make a platform for these women to support and educate each other. So to solve this problem is to we have several systems we can set for these women to access information through SMS. So for those women who are entrepreneurs in agriculture, they can have SMS system to access for the information. So they can have access to market, access to business development, and access to all the updated they need in the rural areas, all these women farmers. We can set up IVR system in video documenting to share the success stories of the role models, women role models in agriculture. And for these women, we have already some solutions existing. One is we are having some shoras currently in rural areas of Afghanistan. We have shoras for women to come together and get awareness of the current programs that are by some donors. And also we have some programs on HIV, some information on some schemes we have for HIV in India. So what we can do as a follow-up for these women, find some potential women, some role models to make them to go and to be part of these gatherings, to talk about their success stories and empower other women in agribusinesses. Some offline and online networks. Offline networks can be these women go and talk about their businesses and empower other women. Online can be through IVR system, through SMS, and build support, create support networks among these women, and to have like follow-up meetings with these women on monthly basis, on quarterly basis. And these women can have provincial and district networks. So these all entrepreneur women can get together and share their ideas, information, and how they can expand their network and make these women aware of the businesses they do, and make them more involved in economic development activities.
Thank you so much.